you want to buy from pessimists and sell to optimists, right? What does that mean? That means that you want to buy from people that are not believers, people that are just looking to sell. You want to buy when there's blood in the streets, when people are forced to sell either based on margin calls, liquidations, but basically when the entire market is red, that's when you want to buy. And then you want to sell when the market is green. You want to sell to moon boys. So in a way, you want to buy from wrecked people, and you want to sell to moon boys. So obviously, not to make it simple, but that's kind of what the quote from Benjamin Graham says. You want to buy from people that are capitulating, people that are wrecked, right? Because that's when you'll get the best price. And then you want to sell to people that think this thing is going to the moon, to 100x, 1000x, after it's already gone up 100x. So you kind of want to have that perspective. And I think in times like this, it's definitely something good to kind of keep perspective. And one other thing to really add to that, trading. I know lots of people in crypto trade, but long term, trading isn't really the way to go, right? Because think about this. Actually, this comes from a book from, I think, The Most Important Thing by Howard Marks. And he says that you have people that are trading a stock, but same thing can apply to crypto. Let's say a stock goes from $2 to $100, and people are patting themselves on the back for trading it from $2 to $5, from $10 to $20, from $30 to $40, from 50 to 70, from 80 to 90. And Howard Marks is like, man, like you could have just bought that from $2 and held all the way to $100 and made a lot more money and not had fees taken out from trading. So, and also the short-term capital gains taxes. So, I mean, me myself, nowadays, I'm really entrenched in being an investor, an investor, a long-term investor, meaning that time frame 1 year or longer. Because just even looking at this because there's so many reasons why it pays, literally pays to be a long-term investor. Capital gains taxes. I mean, once you start making large trades and you start seeing your tax bill, you're like, I mean, what is going on here? Actually, I should have my soundboard here, right? Let me see.
I said, hold up.
Wait a minute.
Something ain't right.
So, I mean, because taxes will kill you. Trading fees will kill you. So, obviously, I can't speak for everybody, but I think having a long-term perspective makes you do the right things long-term, right? Because unless you're a professional trying to trade in and out of stocks and crypto is very tough and challenging. So I think because of that, you kind of have to have that approach. But let me know what you guys think.